Frag out.
Back up. Back up, guys. Oh shit, where?
No good. I've been down.
Healing my wounds.
Yeah, he's upstairs. He's upstairs. Thank you. Let's move, guys. We don't have weapon.
Double timing it.
Checking for loot here.
Where is he?